I enjoy talking about coffee though, so I would much rather talk about coffee than, you know, brew it. Yeah. If we had like somebody that was just like giving you your coffee and then we could talk about it, that's what I want. You know, if 50 years ago we cared more about coffee, then that coffee wouldn't cost me as much to buy. Wow, look at that. It's a show. He's putting on a show for us, guys.
What does this thing do?
It just keeps the filter in place so that I can pour water, because I want the filter to be flush around the edges the whole time. So it's just a presser, and then I pour the water on it and the water keeps it intact. So when they're iced, and especially my coffees in general, they're a little more tea-like. So they're gonna be lighter body.
It's almost like it's
Wow, you don't need milk.
No, I know. I'm always like tea. I mean cream, sugar. I'm like, I don't need it. Yeah.
Thank you.
Oh, good.
Take care.
Thank
Enjoy the walk back.
you. Thank you.
Hey, you're back.
Apparently we have to buy the guest.
We do.
Oh, I think I have one more. Yeah.
Perfect. Yeah.
You like that? It's great, right?
I was like, we need that
Yeah,
right now.
yeah.
I'm already driving off, and I was like, going back.
You have to get that one. That one is. It's great.
What's up, buddy?
You're lying. You're not roasting at the moment.
Now,
Oh, okay. Oh, Starbucks. It's a Starbucks.
Gotta get on that side.
Uh-oh. Yeah, I roast really. I roast all the time now.
That must mean it's going well.
Yes, and that one might be my favorite coffee at the moment. So,
I agree.
yeah.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, have a good one, guys. Yeah, they're pretty big.
I mean, for a geisha, right?
Exactly, yeah. Geishas in general aren't that small, but these are about regular. So the one that's not regular size is that smaller one, but that is a rather large
And
geisha.
that's really light. Look
Yeah.
how light that is.
Yeah. So actually, you want uniform sizes when you're buying the coffee, because if you think about it, size matters. When you're roasting it, yeah, because it'll roast it'll be inconsistent roast. Oh, next week I'm gonna bring out. I've been resting. Do you guys remember the magma coffee that I had? Yeah. I've been resting it. I opened it up yesterday. I think I might have done my best roast on my last roast of it, and I've been letting it rest. And it's been a month and a half or so. And then I also made a really light roast of it that I'm also gonna bring out. So we'll try those next week. The Cedra is actually what I'm drinking right now. It's fantastic. Oh yeah. Oh, you haven't had mine yet? Oh, so I got this one at an auction. Wow, look at that. It's a show. He's putting on a show for us, guys. We have entertainment today. Please join in, everyone.
Look at that beautiful foam in there.
No, I think it's cool that you do it. So I do releases now at least once a month.
Yeah.
I'm going to be releasing. I just released some a couple days ago.
Okay.
But I'm probably going to release another one this week.
I gotta keep up.
Yeah, all the time. Releasing coffee all the time. Yeah, and I'm probably going to be releasing even more over the next few months, because all of the Panama, basically like Central and South American coffees, and even East African, they just finished harvest. And so I'm getting all their samples right now. And so it's exciting times, because that's like my favorite time of the year. This is in Nicaragua. It smells great. Can smell it right now. You've had this one, right? Yeah. Cool. Enjoy your running.
enjoy yours as well.
Yeah, thank
Are
you.
you signing up for anything this year? Yep.
Yeah, I'm doing a half in, where is it? It's in the East Bay. It's a trail, and I haven't done a trail half in a while. But yeah, I just did the other half, the San Francisco half, and I'm gonna try to do a 50-mile
Oh my god.
in the fall. There's a run south, a little bit south. Yeah, that will be my longest. I've done a full once. It was great, but
Where'd you do your pull up?
I'm just thinking of something else.
in Susanville, it's called the Biz Johnson Trail,
Okay.
and yeah, it was a trail.
Yeah, nice.
It was great,
Yeah.
but it was hot.
Yeah, my friend.
The most citrus is going to be the last one on the rare, the 37, but if you are fine with one a little more kind of just like lighter body, but a little bit more fruit to it, then maybe 27 would be nice. But if you really want that like citrus stuff, then 37 is going to be your best option. So 27 or 37.
I'm trying to 37.
37? Cool.
Is that-
Yeah, yeah.
okay.
Yeah, the names of the farms are like the second thing that's there, like
Okay.
Finca Villa Betulia,
Yeah.
La Bastilla, that's the producer, Jessica and Diego Para. So, yeah, it's just from them. All right, smell this before I taint it in the paper cup. But look at that color too. It's a very nice color. So the best coffee is enjoyed once it's cooled down a little bit.
Yeah.
So give it a few minutes. As it cools, those really nice notes will come out, start blooming for you. Best sips are gonna be probably in 10 minutes once it's really cool, and just about, just before lukewarm.
Okay.
Are gonna be like your best sips. Like your final sips, unfortunately. You're gonna love it as you're sipping your final sips. But it's great. You know, if 50 years ago we cared more about coffee, then that coffee wouldn't cost me as much to buy. How's it going? Pretty good.
Could I just get a cup of whatever you recommend today?
Oh, my recommendations could be all across the board.
Okay, I like things that are like caramely and milk chocolatey.
Okay. That sounds like
Nutty.
darker roasted coffees. Okay. So
Acidic
I
and fruity.
So you're like opposite of everything that I have, unfortunately.
Oh.
So I'm very lightly roasted coffees,
Okay,
very
okay.
fruit forward,
Okay.
not nutty or chocolatey at all.
Okay, perfect.
but,
Amazing.
but,
Nailing it.
yeah. I bet you if you said one more thing, it would be another
Like
thing.
something else that
Yeah,
you-
yeah. But I do get a lot of people that come by that want those types of coffees,
Yeah.
and I,
Doesn't like it.
yeah.
Okay, great. So
Yeah.
just make me whatever you recommend.
Do you want it hot? And are you
do
just?
you have an iced option?
I do, yeah.
Yeah.
You want it iced? Okay, that's even easier. I know what to make you.
Great. I'll be back in a few.
I'll make you the first one, just so you know. So it's
Beautiful.
$6. When you come back, you pay.
Okay, great.
Did you want it in there, or
I want the, I'll take the lemongrass in the cup, and then
Okay.
I'll get the other one in the mug.
the Larina in there? Okay. The lavender, red plum, and vanilla. Okay, cool. Cool. Yeah, you can just leave it here. Yeah. You're back.
I'm back. Give it back.
Yeah. Which ones did you get?
I went with 37.
Okay, nice.
Partly because I'm gonna send it back to my dad, and it prefers a little lower acidity. And
Yeah.
my taste was a little lower.
Yeah, yeah.
I think I like it better.
Nice. Both of them the same?
They're completely different coffees, but
Oh no, I mean both bags
yeah,
the same?
these are both
Okay.
the same. Yeah.
They are completely different coffees. Yeah,
Yeah.
for sure. do you like how do you feel about like lighter bodied? So when I make my coffees iced, it's basically like a lighter and brighter tasting coffee. So all my coffees are already lightly roasted, so they're going to be light in general, but it's even lighter then. So it's a little more tea-like. So very easy to drink.
Okay.
Are you okay with very tea-like coffees?
Yeah.
Okay. I would probably either this one or this one then.
Okay.
This one's gonna be the most tea-like. This one's gonna have a little more kind of what I call funk to it.
I'll
Little
do
sweet.
the Ethiopia one.
Ethiopia? Okay, cool.
It's a very cool pour over. I keep their glass, yeah?
The holder is acrylic, but
Oh,
the carafe is glass. Yeah.
Keep looking at these different coffee makers. There's like these new coffee makers that are, trying to get away from the plastic.
Yeah.
I
We should.
There's
We should.
one, yeah.
I pre-weigh majority of them so that it's easier. Like when I have lines,
Yeah.
I'm not
Yeah, I was
weighing
gonna
out.
say, if you get a line,
Oh yeah, I mean I do. Yeah, this is actually the right time to come. This is usually when less
Yeah.
people are here.
yeah.
But if you come at like between 9 and 11, maybe 10:30, I have a line of
Yeah.
people. Yeah. I enjoy talking about coffee though, so I would much rather talk about coffee than brew it. If we had like somebody that was just like giving you your coffee and then we could talk about it, that's what I want.